Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add voiceover on Instagram Reels. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram voiceover reels are voiceover that are added to Instagram reel before it posts. And there are different recording and editing options for each voiceover, like sound effect and voice filter. So how to do it? What if you want to upload reels but you want to add voiceover first to your reels? It's so simple. So first of course we have to open our Instagram, and I will upload reels to my Instagram. Maybe I will choose videos to add to my reels. Wait, I will choose this picture to upload to my reels. To add voiceover, you can see there is a microphone icon. You can just tap on that. Here's your reels. To add voiceover, you can tap to add audio if you want to add audio from Instagram. If you want to do voiceover, you can tap on voiceover on here. To start your voiceover, you can tap on the here. You can talk what you want to voiceover to your videos. You can play first to hear this first. You can talk what you want like this. You can delete it if it doesn't fit. You can do voiceover again. You can talk on your microphone here. You can hear this again. You can talk on your After that, you can just tap on done if you finish, and you can upload your reels. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add voiceover on your Instagram reels. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!